open the photo that we just created. And the first thing we want to do is to look at the icons on the left-hand side. The first one is the Actions button. Here's where you will insert a file, insert a photo. The difference between those two, if the photo is in iPhoto, it's a photo. If the photo is anywhere else like Dropbox or in a different place, then it's going to be a file. Take a photo, add text, cut, copy, copy canvas, paste. We will be using this quite a bit. The canvas one is where we will crop and resize, where we will learn how to use the drawing guide, if we want to flip it horizontally or vertically. The next one is share, and that is the Procreate program keeps the photo, stores the photo in Procreate. But if you wanted to store a copy of it somewhere else, especially if you wanted to store it with all its layers, then you would save it as either a PSD or a TIFF in your photos, and then you could open it in Photoshop on your computer. I do this a lot. Video, I want you to turn off recording, and I want you to purge. Procreate saves every stroke that you do in Procreate, and it takes a lot of room, and most of you have no reason to be able to go back and see what you did. So for right now, let's turn it off. Preferences is the one we need to spend a little time on. The light interface, if I turn it off, then there is a black screen. I prefer the light interface. I like that light gray rather than the black. The right-hand interface, this brush control can be on the right or the left. I prefer it on the right. If you're left-handed, you may prefer it on the left. I want my brush cursor on. I want project canvas off, and the rest just leave the way it is. The help is where you would download the Procreate handbook, where you would get customer support, where you would learn to Procreate.